Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you different snippets of what this past week has looked like, and it is ways I romanticize life and how I live a fulfilled life and put myself out there. Now, there are some days where it was really hard to get up and get out of the house with my kiddos, but I made it happen. And I also on some days partnered up with my husband so that way I could have my solo days all to myself. So I'm really excited to walk you through what this past week has looked like for me. If there's something that you dig and you're loving it, please be sure to leave a comment in the description. I planted a few things. I didn't want to start off with a big load, so I just took I think like 3 or 4 things home, like cilantro and sage, to try it out.
This is fun.
This gardening class was so much fun. I've been wanting to work with plants and start a garden for quite some time, and I'm very grateful to my friend April for inviting me. If you've also been interested, I definitely recommend checking out your local library. They may have just the thing for you. One of my favorite parts about this past week was attending the Black Planter Party, where we each got a plant as we walked inside. I'm definitely walking into my plant mom era, so I'm very excited. I took gardening class and got a free plant in the same week. So much fun. But I loved this event. It was a kickoff event to the Black Joy Festival, which I did go to the festival last year, not this year though. They had like a little arts and crafts station with painting pots. There was vendors, delicious food. I really enjoyed myself, and I will forever love and cherish being around Black joy and supporting Black businesses. Let's just talk about the fact that I went to Michael's to pick up these jars for juicing, and I could just smell all of the restaurants. I'm like, oh, I really want to do this. I did look on Pinterest, this rising, it was like, I typed in fitness and then like fitness aesthetic popped up. So I'm like, let me click that and see what that's looking like. And it was a bunch of like collages. And then in the middle would be a quote. And some of them were really great. Just about like staying disciplined and just like different things that I can use as an affirmation and reminders of like why I'm doing this. So, that's what I was thinking about when I was smelling it. Ooh. But yeah, I got these jars. I'm super excited. There's 16 fluid ounces and there's 12 of them. And yeah, now I just gotta go get the juice. Okay. I just passed a cute little nursery. So I had to actually do my task at hand, but I'm about to turn around, stop by that nursery, and then I also passed like a whole street of vintage shops. One thing I absolutely love in vintage shops is the personality, and I had so much fun. I took a little bit longer in the second one. It was definitely more my vibe. Now off to plant shopping. My body has been going through lots of changes, and no matter what changes it goes through, I think it's so important to take care of it. So I have decided to blend some juices together. While I was out at the store, though, I grabbed some tea and a new book. I'm really excited because these teas are going to be relaxing for the chamomile and the smooth move to cleanse me out and get rid of anything that does not serve me. We're healing from within, okay, baby? Health is wealth. So yeah, I am juicing, but I do eat as well. I have salads, and then I also made these bars that I'm going to show you in just a few. And the food is allowing me to have that energy when I'm working out, and also be able to take my vitamins, because I need to have something on my stomach when I take my vitamins. These juices and meals are really helping me feel better. It is so funny how food impacts your mood. I do want to make sure I shout out my spirulina because I finally got some from Sprouts. I love adding it to my smoothies. And remember those bars I talked to you about earlier? Well, I have those here, and they're made with dates, goji berries, chia seeds, flax seeds, so much goodness. Another thing that greatly impacts my mood and allows me to feel better is being outside, moving my body, walking, and spending time in nature. I'm curious, what allows you to feel better? Let me know in the comments below.